guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I actually wanted to talk about why we have goats on our farm and the purpose of having them as sheep farmers. These are dairy goats, and they produce quite a lot of milk. And in 2020, during our first lambing season, we had an orphan lamb, and we got this goat. She is the queen of the herd, and she just accepted a lamb, raised them, and it makes it so much easier when she's looking after the orphan than bottle feeding. She was supposed to be due last year September, and I think it was the end of August or the beginning of September she had a miscarriage of a triplet, and just moving a bit, and we had to get a orphan doeling to graft on her and just get her to keep on producing milk. So we still have that doeling. She is not weaned. We keep her on, but I think she's being weaned to a certain degree naturally, because she's not drinking that much anymore. So we are done milking. So this is the orphan doeling. She's getting quite big now. Still not weaned. Honestly, the main reason we have these goats is to help us out during lambing season. It really helps when you don't have to bottle feed a orphan lamb, when one of the goats can just take over as a nursing mom. And this goat in particular has been really good at it, unless she is already nursing in this case this doeling, or a other orphan lamb. I don't think she'll take on two, but she will stand for them to drink when we're with her and we hold her, and we really enjoy them. They've got huge personalities. So for this breeding season, we're not going to breed them. We're going to try to keep them in milk until we lamb in May. It's just we don't want to end up with a ton of goats. So at the moment we have this doe. She is the queen with her adopted doeling, and then we have another mature doe with her own set of twins. I don't think we need more than this. We seem to be lucky so far with orphan lambs, and we've been fortunate not to have too many of them. So Chris is bringing in the bales from the other week. We'll probably be cutting and baling this week again, so I'll show that in the next video, and in that video we'll discuss a bit more about the quality versus quantity or the yield of Lucerne. So I'm going to show you the difference between Lucerne cut at different times of their growth, and you can see what it looks like when it's baled. So these are our most recent bales of young Lucerne at about 10% flowering. Some of the other Lucerne were baled at a slightly higher percentage flowering rate. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, hit subscribe and the bell to be notified every time we post a new video, and we'll see you next Sunday.